What's up, guys? Welcome to the YouTube channel Code Better. And this video, guys, I'm actually going to talk about some couple of JavaScript date tricks or tips, or whatever you want to call it. So basically in this video I'm going to talk about three main tricks you can do with JavaScript date object. The first one actually is going to be how to get the month name, the name of a month from a JavaScript or from a JavaScript date, or any date at all. Then the second one is how to get yesterday's date from any date and tomorrow's date. Just simple coding and stuff. So stay tuned to the video till the end, guys, so you can understand everything I'm going to do in this video. Okay, first of all, I'm actually going to get the name of a month from a JavaScript date. So I actually created a new file here called dates.js. And inside this file, I'm going to create a const variable. I'm going to call it date. I'm going to create a new date object. Then I'm just going to do, I'm going to call this const. Let's call it month name. For month name, I'm going to do date. You want to use date dot to local string. I don't know if I say local string. So data to local string. Then inside the parentheses you want to give parameters, and you want to give it as default. Then you create an object inside. You're going to say the month. So per month, so you're going to set the month. If you want the full name of the month, like March, which is MARCH, October, December, you're going to use the keyword called long. But if you don't want the short version, like the acronym for that month, you can just use the short. So for now I'm going to use the long version, LONG. Then okay, I'm going to say console.log. What am I writing? Console.log month name. You can see right under the term the output you have March is the month. So I can put I can make this one short contributing. You're going to get a short version or the acronym March. Yeah, you can pretty much do different stuff with this. So this actually just like a snippet code. So it's very sure you can add to your project or your code. You can get the month name. So right now this kind of code here, or different unnecessary code, just use this simple code. The next one, which I'm going to be doing, is called, just comment this out, how to get yesterday's date. Okay, so today's date, console log date. Give me today's date first. Okay, let me just do date dot get date. Some better. Okay, today is 27th, so 27th of March, and that's actually the date itself. So what you want to do, guy, you want to get like yesterday's date. Okay, normally you can just do -1, but if maybe you're like unsure, like you can just do date, you can just add okay -1 to get 26. But there are times in your code when actually maybe you just lose track of time. So what you want to do is that you just want to say date dot set date, open parentheses, then you want to put in the date itself, date dot get date, and put a -1. Use a -1. You want to print out console log date to date string dot to date string. Okay, so you get an error, get up. That's supposed to be a capital D. I can't really see that, guys. Thursday, March 26th, the year 2020. So to actually know today's date is actually Thursday, March 27th, 2020. So this is actually give us yesterday's date, which is Thursday, March 26th, 2020. The second trick actually is actually to get tomorrow's date. I'm sure obviously you guys already know how to do that. Since for us to get yesterday's date, we're going to subtract -1. Then to get tomorrow's date, we're going to turn this into a plus sign, so we're adding plus. And when we try to print this out, then we're going to get Saturday, Thursday, March 28th. Wait, Saturday, March 28th, 2020. Oh yeah. So that's it, guys. So you actually see, so adding, removing a -1, making a -1 actually give you yesterday's date, and adding a +1 to give you today's date. So it's just a very simple syntax. You just want to create a new date object, then you set the date. It's actually set the date function, and you want to get the date itself, today's date itself. Then you subtract a -1 from it, then you log out the date which you set out in a date string format. I'm going to give you Thursday, March 26, 2020. Tomorrow's day going to be Saturday, March 28, 2020. So actually today is going to be a Friday. I know I'm showing Thursday. This is actually going to be a Friday. So and tomorrow is going to be a Saturday, which is going to be 28, 2020. So this is just very basic coding. You can just add to your code project or whatever you're coding. You just snippets to ease stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you like the video if you like video, guys, hit the like button, and if you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to get notified when I drop new videos. And to that, guys, stay safe, peace out, signing out.